Introverts, extroverts, and ambiverts. So introverts, you get your energy from being alone more. Extroverts, you get your energy from outside sources. You need less alone work, less alone time, and you need more connection with others, or at least stimulus around you. And ambiverts, you're in the middle. You can swing both ways. It might depend on the situation. It might depend on the day. You have a lot more choices. So you're just going to need to experiment what you need at what time. But remember that this is a spectrum. So there aren't very many true introverts and true extroverts in the extreme. Most of us fall somewhere in the middle. Everybody, don't get too comfortable. Things change throughout your life. It is a spectrum. So sometimes you might be more introverted, more extroverted. You might move along that spectrum, and be okay with getting outside of your comfort zone. It is very important to be okay with being outside that comfort zone.